Hey everybody, so this is going to be part 3 of the, I already soldered the harness for the 4-way flat tow harness on the 4Runner. This is just good, we're already soldered it, so this is going to be part 3. We're going to be plugging some stuff into it, demonstrating, see if it fixed the problem, which I'm more than likely it didn't, because I'm pretty positive it's the controller. But please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. So, I have the truck running. It definitely did not fix anything. This is just going to be a short update. There's a short somewhere. I'm sure it's not in. I have that turn signal running. Let me see. I have the brake lights on, and if you look at this tester, tail light is on, and the right turn is on. It's on. Oh, the right turn was on because the brakes are pressed, and now it's flashing. But the one in the center for the left turn is extremely dim, so it's definitely was not the plug. I needed a new plug anyways, so I'm gonna have to figure out in more in depth. I'm gonna have to go through the shop manuals and see if I can find out exactly why it's doing that. I'm pretty positive there's voltage loss in the controller, and the controller's bad, but I could be wrong. I might have to take the quarter panels on the inside of the cargo bay out, and I might have to check all the ground locations. But this seems no issue with the ground. So, just a quick update. This is going to be part 4. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. But I've checked the wire on both sides of the controller. Wires on both sides of the controller are good. There's no issues with the controller for any reason. So to me, it doesn't make any sense. There's no problems with the wires coming into the left side of the controller, and there's no problems with the wires coming into the right side of the controller. And there's 6 wires on the right side of the controller, and that basically runs to all of the reverse and everything like that. And then it turns to a 4-wire on the right side, left side of the controller, I believe. I might have misspoke. Yeah, I did misspeak. On the right side of the controller, there's 6 wires, which runs to all of the lights to both sides. And then on the left side of the controller, it turns into a 4-wire, runs directly down the harness from the controller. So there's definitely a high amount of resistance in the controller, and it's causing the voltage loss, or there's a bad ground somewhere. More than likely on this side for the ground, which could be causing low voltage. So I'll do some more research, more in-depth look. I'll go through all of the shop manuals, including the wiring diagrams, and see if the wiring splits somewhere else. Maybe it runs up front. I don't think there's any fuses that are bad, because it was going to be running off one fuse. So if it's running off one fuse, these other 2 will not work. So leave your comments down below. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.